Hello, Kristen with Rabbit Trail Supply, and we got a special video for you today. This is for our friends, the Silvers, who had a bear go up in the tree and destroy out on the limb, at least the strap, and steal the bird seed, and I don't know what they did to the bird feeder. But anyhow, so a special request, my husband's brilliance, and we made a fully cable out on the limb. Test those big Yogi Bears out there. So we're going to show the Silvers how to hang their new model. Okay, so here we go. So what Don did is he put cable on the tree strap, and he covered, what'd you cover it with? His hand?
Vacuum tubing.
Vacuum tubing, so that it would protect your trees, your branch, so that the cable wouldn't dig into the branch. So we're going to show the Silvers, because this is a little different, how to hang their new out on the limb. Okay.
Over the limb, and then
everything goes through the loop. There you go. See, and it goes around. This is a small tree limb, but it works. There you go.
and the rest is take apart and hook.
There you go. Take it apart and hook it. And Dash is in the picture. So this is for the Silvers. We're sticking this in the mail for you today, and we're going to defend against Yogi Bear and his family from stealing your bird seed. Thanks so much. This has been Rabbit Trail Supply, Corvallis, Oregon. You have a good day.